Unleashing English Mastery. 2-word phrasal prepositions. Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting session of English learning. Today, we're taking a deep dive into a fascinating part of English grammar: 2-word phrasal prepositions. Our focus will be on understanding what they are and how we can use them effectively in our everyday communication. To start off, let's understand what 2-word phrasal prepositions are. These are prepositions that are made up of 2 words working together to function as one preposition. For instance, words like because of, according to, and instead of are examples of 2-word phrasal prepositions. The primary function of these 2-word phrasal prepositions is to establish a relationship between the words or phrases in a sentence. They help us understand how certain elements of the sentence connect and interact with one another. For example, in the sentence, "I couldn't go to the party because of the rain," the preposition, because of, connects the reason for not attending the party, the rain, to the main action, not going to the party. Understanding the usage in context can make a big difference in your language learning journey. Let's consider a few more examples. According to the weather forecast, it will rain tomorrow. Here, according to establishes a relationship of authority or source between the weather forecast and the prediction of rain. She chose to travel by train instead of flying. In this example, instead of expresses a replacement or substitution of one action, flying, with another, traveling by train. Learning is always more effective when we put it into practice. So, try to create your own sentences using these 2-word phrasal prepositions. Remember, they can help you express complex ideas and relationships in your conversations and writings more clearly and effectively. And that wraps up our journey into the world of 2-word phrasal prepositions. With this understanding, you're now equipped to make your English more fluent and dynamic. Remember, it's all about practice. The more you use these prepositions, the more natural they will feel. Keep learning, keep practicing, and as always, keep unleashing your English mastery.